Welcome back to my channel, everyone. I am back with my March brown sugar box unboxing. So I'm going to dive right in. We're already in the middle of April and I'm just filming, so I have no clue when I will actually upload this video. I was a little less than eager to open this month's box because I received the email notification, as well as a couple of you actually sent me emails or private messages that stated that there was an email from Izzy and Liv regarding the shirt in this month's box and if I had seen it. So this particular box actually has a spelling error on the t-shirt, so it will be a shirt that I end up just wearing around the house. But they are sending the replacement shirt in this month's box, so this month's box will actually come with 2 shirts. But I want to dive in because I, of course, looked at the spoilers and I wanted to see, I'm hopeful that the little brooch that was in, there's a particular brooch that I'm really looking for that I hope is in my box. So anyway, I'm rambling. The March edition is International Women Who Changed the World, 4 quotes from Hollywood greats. This box is inspired by old Hollywood. It has beauty tips from the 1950s and how to style your March box items. So this is the cover for this month. And I am just going to open it up and see what it has in here. So this is how the box is packaged. And we are going to just dive right in. All right. The first item here is a little jewelry bag. And it's not the one that I want. I can feel it and tell that it's not. So I'm going to have to buy it. Of all colors, I got the pink classic brooch. And it says, why not add extra touch of bling to your outfit? Whether you want to add some glitz to your evening gown, a faux fur collar, or even a t-shirt, these brooches will give you a look, touch, give your look. Goodness, why am I tongue tied? It says brooches will give your look a touch of timeless elegance. So that is the one for this month. I am not a fan of pink, so I will not be using this one. It will be gifted to someone, and I will go on and order the one that I want. There were 4 different brooches, and there's one that's a bumblebee that I really want, and I think I'm going to go back and purchase it. The next one is a handheld mirror, and I did get the one here that I wanted. That is gorgeous. Gorgeous, gorgeous, gorgeous. And this one is, the brooch had a retail value of $10, and there were 4 choices, and the handheld mirror, and it has a little bit of weight to it, is a retail value of $12, and it was one of 3 designs on this one. It says, of course, we all know that black women are magic. And you know what? Black women always have been, especially during the old Hollywood era. Draped in pearls and sparkly dresses, black women entered the scene with power and grace. You'll be feeling yourself as you hold on to one of these handheld mirrors featuring beautiful depictions in honor of black women from their classic time. So there it is, and it actually bends, so you can actually use it like as a little tabletop stand mirror. So I am looking forward to using this one on my vanity. The next item is a 5-piece makeup brush set that has an $18 value. It is in this little faux leather case, and it comes with 5 makeup brushes, and each one of the brushes has a saying on the handle. This is a retail value again of $18, and it says, "Get it, girl. You can't get completely glam like old world queens if you're not beating your face. When it comes to painting a masterpiece, the magic starts with the brushes. Whether you're applying foundation for a flawless finish or blending for the perfect smoky eye, these brushes will transform you to flawless and fabulous with the flick of a wrist." So it is a foundation, a lip, an eyeliner, a concealer, and looks like is that a an eyeshadow and a concealer brush. So this one says on the handle, "Be confident." This one says, "You better work." This next one says, "Get it, girl." The lip brush does not have anything on it, but it is a retractable lip brush. And then the last one says, "You are beautiful." Okay. The next item is a reverse collar necklace. And I do like the color of this one. I like the gold. But I could have lived with the silver as well. There were two choices. $22 value. And it says, "If there's one thing about old Hollywood we love to talk about, it's fashion. The stylish queens showered themselves in pearls, flowers, and everything luxurious. Adorned with beautiful crystals in a floral design, wear this necklace around the back of your neck with an open design in the front. This regal look will bring the queen out of you." I love this. And I actually have an event coming up that I think this would be gorgeous to wear at. So it is a $22 retail value, and it was either a gold option or a silver option, and mine is gold. Okay. The next item is a party clutch, and it has a retail value of $21. It says, "Did you think we were going to let you go out into the limelight without a proper accessory? Never fear. We've got you covered. Feel extra glamorous by clinging on to the chic clutches, and you'll look radiant no matter where you're going." It has a retail value again of $21, and there was a choice of 4 colors. There was a gold, a silver, looks like a rose gold, and a black. And mine is silver. If I can figure out, here we go, how to get it open. It has some weight to it. It is not tiny at all. And cute. It has a little twist. Is it twist or does it snap? How do you open it? Okay. I think I may have to watch a video to figure out. Does it slide? Okay, it lifts up. And it has a little chain strap in the inside. So it's trimmed in gold, even though the bag itself is silver. So whether you're doing silver or gold, it will work. Do you see the multi-faceted shine there? It's got a little bit of glitter, so under the light it picks up and reflects a bunch of different colors. I like it. I don't know when I'll use it or when I'll have a need, but when I do, it will be here. And the clasp, you just kind of pull it back and it opens up. And the last thing is the t-shirt for the month of March. And it is a $28 value. It says Timeless Women Tribute Shirt. And it says this month is Women's History Month. I didn't know that. And we are honoring the movers and shakers of old Hollywood. Put on this tee and celebrate the timeless classics from the likes of Cicely Tyson, Dorothy Dandridge, and Lena Horne, as well as many more. So it is a gorgeous colored shirt. The quality of their t-shirts is absolutely amazing. I just hate that it has a spelling error on it, but happy that they are sending the replacement. I don't know. I'm going to leave it there for just a minute because I'm sure somebody is trying to figure out whose name is spelled incorrectly. Pause it if you're trying to figure it out because I'm putting the shirt down now. So, I enjoy this subscription box. It is like a box full of full-size treats every single month. The highlight is always the t-shirts in addition to the themed items that go along with that month's brochure, magazine. I love the fact that they are incorporating beauty tips. There is a playlist every single month of music so that if you're looking to, stay in the theme of the month, you can get a playlist. There are pictures of all of the brown sugar babies that have submitted or posted pictures from the prior month or from prior boxes. There are pictures now to show you how to style the items that are in your box. There's just so much great information in here, and it is fun to read. I am looking forward to seeing how they are celebrating National Women's Month, and there's some more fashion ideas in here. So that's it for this month. I'm a little bit late, a little behind, because I'm not sure that I posted the February box yet. But I did get it, and I am going to get ready to go put my stuff up and go take my nice mirror to my vanity and put it to use. Thank you so very much for watching. I'll see you next month.